Have you ever felt that frustration when you open your car door and find total chaos inside? Or maybe you're embarrassed to take passengers because your car looks more like a rolling dumpster. You're not alone. After years of trying different methods, I finally discovered the ultimate system to keep your car spotless without driving yourself crazy in the process. The secret I'm about to reveal to you will not only keep your car clean, but it could also save you a lot of money on maintenance and significantly increase your vehicle's resale value. And the best part is you only need 20 minutes a week. Let me tell you something important. I've been in your shoes. A few years ago, my car was a complete mess. I had everything. Fast food wrappers, crumpled receipts, empty bottles. I even found a mummified burger under the seat. Don't ask how long it was there. It was at that moment that I realized I needed a radical change. The first pillar of our system, and possibly the most important, is what I call the golden rule of entry and exit. Simple, everything that goes into the car must come out the same day. No exceptions. Sounds basic, right? But here's the trick to why it works so well. Most people treat their car like a second mobile closet. We leave shopping bags, food containers, work papers behind, and before we know it, our car becomes a nest of clutter. But by implementing this simple rule, we eliminate 80% of the problem before it even starts. Here's how to make it work in real life. Place a small trash container in your car. I recommend one of those compact models that fit perfectly in the door pocket or in the cup holder. You'll easily find it on Amazon for less than 200 pesos. This will be your best ally for keeping the little messes under control. Set up a checkpoint at your house. It can be a hook by the door or a small box in the garage. Every time you get home, anything that doesn't permanently belong in the car should go to that checkpoint. Here comes the interesting part. Take 30 seconds every time you get out of your car to do a mini scan. Look at the seats, dash, and cup holders. Is there anything that shouldn't be there? Take it out immediately. This 30-second habit is the difference between keeping your car spotless or letting it turn into a mess. If you have kids, I know you're thinking this is impossible. But here's the secret. Make it a gun. My kids are now competing to see who can find the most stuff to take out of the car when we get home. I give them extra points for finding hidden treasures, like lost toys or candy wrappers. The best part about this system is that once it becomes a habit, you'll hardly notice you're doing it. It's like brushing your teeth. At first, it might seem like extra effort, but after a while, it becomes so natural that you can't imagine not doing it. Now that we have the daily system under control, let's talk about the weekly routine that will keep your car in top shape. The great thing about this method is that you only need 20 minutes once a week, preferably on the same day, to create a consistent habit. I've divided the car into 5 strategic zones, and each one has its own mini cleaning protocol. This makes the task less overwhelming and more efficient. Driver's zone. Start where you spend the most time. Wipe down the steering wheel, dashboard, and center console with a slightly damp microfiber cloth. Pay special attention to the buttons and screens. They're magnets for fingerprints and bacteria. Professional trick. Use a clean little makeup brush for the air vents. Seat zone. You don't need to vacuum all the upholstery every week. Instead, focus the vacuum on the cracks of the seats, where most of the crumbs and dirt pile up. For leather seats, a damp cloth is enough. For fabric, a rubber brush removes pet hair in seconds. Carpet area. Here's the secret that few people know. Take out the mats and fold them like a taco before shaking them out. This prevents sand and dirt from falling back into the car. For small stains, a little sparkling water and a clean cloth work wonders. Window area. Divide each window into 4 sections and clean in circular motions. The trick is to use 2 cloths, one damp with cleaner and another dry for polishing. And here comes the secret from the pros. Clean the windows on cloudy days or in the shade. Direct sunlight makes the cleaner dry too quickly and leaves streaks. Trunk area. This is the area that everyone forgets. But it's crucial. Keep a small organizer box for emergencies and essential items. Everything else should come out weekly for a quick inspection. Here's the secret to not getting obsessed. Set a timer for 4 minutes for each area. When it goes off, it's time to move on to the next one. This prevents you from getting stuck perfecting just one area and ensures that you cover the whole car in 20 minutes. Now that we've mastered the basics, let's step up our game with some professional tricks that will keep your car looking new for longer. These are the secrets that professional detailers don't want you to know. The first master trick is odor prevention. Forget about traditional air fresheners. Instead, put coffee beans in a fabric sock and hide it under the seat. Use baking soda mixed with your favorite essential oil in a ventilated container. Keep a bag of activated charcoal in the trunk. These natural methods absorb bad odors instead of just masking them. Depending on the season, your car faces different challenges. In winter, apply a water-repellent spray on the carpets before the rain hits. Keep old towels in the trunk to dry off wet shoes. Use rubber mats over your regular carpets. In summer, put sunscreen on your windows when you park. Keep wet wipes in the glove compartment to clean sweat-off surfaces. Use a UV protector on the dashboard to prevent cracks, coffee spill, unexpected stains. Here are the emergency solutions that every driver should know. For liquid spills, use napkins to soak up the excess. Apply sparkling water immediately. Blot with paper towels using a pressing motion. Never scrub. For dry stains, diluted white vinegar for food stains, isopropyl alcohol for ink stains, baking soda paste for persistent odors. Implement a quarterly rotation system. Change the position of the mats to distribute the wear and tear. Rotate your cleaning products according to the season. Update your emergency supplies and check expiration dates. Let's create a simple action plan that you can start implementing today. 7-day plan to get started. Day 1. Implement the in and out rule. Buy your trash container for the car. Set up your control point at home. Remove everything that doesn't belong in the car. Day 2. Organize your basic cleaning kit. Gather the 4 essential products. Get your microfiber cloths ready. Designate a specific place to store them. Day 3. First deep clean. Spend an hour on a thorough initial clean. Document the current state with photos. Mark this day as your weekly cleaning day. Days 4 to 7. Keep the system going. Practice the 30-second scan. Use the trash container consistently. Stick to the in and out rule, no exceptions. Comment below which of all the tricks you found most useful and share your own tips for keeping the car clean. Remember to give a thumbs up if this video helped you and subscribe for more practical tips like this. And before you go, here's one last bonus tip. Create a small laminated checklist and stick it on your visor. Every time you pull it down, it'll remind you to keep your car spotless.